Hi, welcome back or welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to go over how to make YouTube shorts for gaming channel. This can apply to other channels, but I'm going to specifically give examples for gaming channels as well as the software I'm using. It's Final Cut Pro. Technically, this can apply to any software. But again, the examples will be Final Cut Pro related by nature. So let's go on and get into it. Okay, so this is the end product you're looking at. This is the original footage. The original footage is about 30 minutes. Yeah, I think about 30 minutes. Well, total after I combined everything, I think the original video ended up being around 30 minutes. And, it is what it is. I actually cut quite a bit from this. And that's the key, first of all. Cutting what you need. Okay, so here's what I did, okay? Now, the video wasn't recorded with a short in mind. The video had the intro, hi, welcome back or welcome to the channel. That was for my gaming channel, an Overwatch 2 video. So yeah, I kind of just kept the footage I wanted, B-roll footage, and just did a voiceover for, I was actually watching Twitch, watching Overwatch, blah, blah, blah. I did the voiceover for that, but then at the end, I kept my reaction for the victory because it fit in just fine entirely. And that's probably the best advice I can give you. Redo voiceovers for stuff you need, but potentially keep in your original footage as much as you can. Keep in the original what you say as much as you can. It will make it a lot better because it will make it seem a lot smoother, like you're going with the flow, everything's working just fine. Oh, and before you ask, originally these videos was 16:9 format. But what I did here is I went to the inspector, clicked on this button here, and then changed the type from fit to fill. And then it filled the whole section. And of course, in order to even do the short to begin with, I created a new project and then changed it from 1080p to vertical. And then, well, for this, I think I did 4K, but I only did 4K because whenever I'm doing text, I like to at least do 4K for my own viewing preference. Speaking of text, however, you guys might be wondering how I got the text on the screen. I actually didn't just write it entirely. I used a program called Captionator. It's a plugin for Final Cut Pro. It's an auto, caption plugin. I actually made a whole video covering it, but essentially what it does is it exports all the audio for you, and then it re-imports it in text. So you can actually just paste it on your project. Now, correct whatever needs correcting. And yeah. Now, as you can see, at the very beginning here, you have this here, and this was, I mean, it worked out in the end, but it was an oversight on my end. I should have actually, if I would have, noticed it there, I would have actually just made this part a bit longer because it's B-roll footage. Remember, so B-roll footage you can play around with and make as long as you want because both of these audio lines didn't exist in the original footage. I added them because shorts flow differently than long form content. Okay, that's the big point I want to get across right now. Shorts flow different. Like, hi, welcome back or welcome to the channel. That's fine for long form content. But short form content, they want to get in there right away. They're immersion right away. And then, even after I did all that, initially, it was over a minute long. And if you know YouTube Shorts, you'll know that any video you upload, even if it's vertical and it's over a minute long, it doesn't count as a short. And with that said, even if you upload a video that's 59 seconds, if it's 59 seconds and 49 milliseconds, it will round it up to a minute exactly. So, you could have exactly a minute long, but it not be a minute long. It just be a few frames over, and then YouTube wouldn't register it as a short. So definitely be careful of that. And yeah, that's basically the things I can recommend. Voiceovers definitely are helpful if you're repurposing footage, which you should be repurposing footage if you're a gaming channel. I'm ashamed to admit I've just gotten into repurposing footage myself. But if you're going to make new footage, definitely a voiceover is recommended. Either your voice, you can pay someone to do a voiceover on a site like Fiverr or something, or sometimes music works depending on what it is. Like if it's a character doing a dance or something, music works just fine. Now with YouTube, for now, pay attention to copyright and stuff, but I know they're doing big changes with shorts in the coming weeks. Feel free to stay tuned to the channel. I'll probably cover something about it. But yeah, that's everything. I rambled on quite a bit because I'm trying to share all my knowledge about this with you guys because I'm still discovering stuff about shorts as well. Yes, shorts have been live for like 2 years, something like 2 years or something, right? As of right now. 2, 3, 4, I don't know. But they are ever changing. Shorts are constantly evolving, honestly, and we gotta evolve with them. So that's how you make shorts on like a gaming channel or something. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.